Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at how to take the derivative of f of x equals sine of 3x squared minus x. So the first thing to recognize is that this is a composition, meaning that we have some function, in this case 3x squared minus x, that we're feeding into another function, in this case sine x. So sometimes we refer to this thing as the inner function, and then sine x as the outer function. So one of them's nested inside the other. So anytime we have a function like this, we need the chain rule in order to take the derivative. So if you remember the chain rule, that says that if f of x is h of g of x, then the derivative has this form. F prime is h prime of g of x times g prime of x. So which ones are h and which one's g in this case? Well, g is going to be the inner function, and h is going to be the outer function. And then we're also going to need the derivatives, so let's go ahead and compute those. And then our final step is we take all this information and we actually just plug it back into the chain rule. I'm going to do this in 2 steps, so we remember that when we take h prime, we actually evaluate it on g rather than on x. So we have cosine of g of x multiplied by g prime of x, and then we can go ahead and fill in g and g prime, and this gives us our answer. Remember, we learn by doing. Check out practice problems at the QR code below or at doggle.app, and follow us if you want more videos like this.